Yo, what's up guys? This is me, Christian, the mechanic gamer. Let's pause. Alright. Okay, so let's wear some gloves to protect our hand. So we have a Mazda 3 here guys. I'm going to show you how to change oil this one, and I hope you can learn about this video. So guys, I'm going to replace a new air filter. So again, I'm pausing again. So guys, air filter is very important. So let's change this one and put a new one, because if you didn't change some air filter in your car, it's not good in your car guys. It will get some kind of issue like a low power, so it's better to replace a new one. Don't be cheap, make your car healthy. After replacing air filter guys, I'm going to add some water in my wiper washer reservoir, because this one is very important, especially in your windshield. Because if your windshield have too many dust, you can use this one and use some water when you're switching, because this one is very important guys, so that you can look very properly in your windshield when you're driving. Now I'm going to put the lifter arm in the chassis case, so be careful when you're putting this one. So you have to put it properly and double check this one. Alright, make same safety so that you will be clear. So especially if you already left this up, you have to lock this one properly, because it might get accident or going down, so you have to be careful. I'm gonna prepare the waste drain oil guys, because this one is very important. So guys, when I saw there's a cover, so I'm going to remove the cover of this one. So if you have a tools, use the proper tools only. So guys, for the first timer, you can check, you can buy from the shop, don't have the tools. Especially you can buy in the online guys, from the website. You can search there from any site, just type the combination range, and now you can find any other tools that you want. So pick whatever you want and choose the proper tools that you want to use mostly. So guys, going back to work, I'm going to remove the drain plug guys and draining the oil. So while waiting guys, I'm going to check the 4 tires to check the specific standard of the air of this one. Most cars, they only put 40 or 30, but if you want to know, you can check from the driver's side. When you open the door, there's a sticker there, and you can check what is the standard of the air pressure, because it's very important guys to put the specific air pressure in the tire. After checking all the tires guys, going to close the drain plug, because there's no oil coming out already. So when you're closing this one, put it properly so that it will not damage the thread. So be careful guys, especially when you're tightening the bolt, this one, the 17mm. So you have to close it properly and use some force only to not damage or lose thread the bolt. So guys, after removing that drain plug, I'm going to remove the oil filter, because I'm going to put a new one. If you don't have oil filter guys, you can buy it online. There's a lot in the online, especially from the other website. I don't want to mention what kind of online apps, because you already know where you can buy. Okay, just search the oil filter range and you can find there. So this is the oil filter guys. I'm going to replace a new one. So when you're putting oil filter guys, put it properly. Alright, so check it. You better have to check it to double check if this one already put it exactly. So guys, when you're tightening the oil filter guys, you have to tighten it properly, not too much, because it will damage the thread. So guys, you have to double check this one to make it sure that this is not loose. So because this one, if loose, it will leak the oil. So guys, after that, I'm going to remove the waste drain. After removing the waste drain guys, I'm going to put the cover back on. I'm going to lock it properly. So guys, if you have a cover, lock it properly guys. Just a smooth tight only, so I'm going to put it down guys to put some oil in the engine, especially to the beginners guys. For my advice only, if you want to check the exact level of the oil, put some 2 liters only or 3 liters like that. But this Mazda 3, this one is 4.3. That's the exact level in the oil. So for the beginners guys, step by step, you have to add that. It's kind of the thing from the beginners. So guys, after this one, when I put in the exact oil, I'm going to start so that the oil can circulate from the engine. So that's the very important thing, to check the exact level of the oil. So guys, after the oil, I'm going to replace a new AC filter, because the AC filter is not good. So this is the old one guys. As you can see, the old one is not very good. This is too much dirty, so I already put a new one. So guys, I'm going to start the car here. Like I said before, I'm going to check the oil level. As you can see, when I start this one, I already turn it off. Now I check the oil level. When I check the oil level, I only put 4.3 liter. 4.3 liter is the best in the Mazda 3. So alright guys, already checked the oil level. So just like that, I'm already visit na because my English is too much bulul. So after this guys, I already checked the other system in the engine. So because when I check this one, making it sure to make it perfect so that there will be no problem, so that the customer will be drive, there will be no other issues from the car. So it's better to check all the parts in the engine, especially in the system. So I'm going to close the hood guys. So double check and tight. So ayun, hingang malalim, rage 99 kasi nabubulol na sa English. So guys, that's all. Thank you.